Peace. What's going on, good peoples? You should already know you're back with your homeboy Wrenchturna. Hey, let me shout out the Turner team, the infamous Turner team right now. What's going on with you? I hope you guys had a wonderful holiday. I hope you got fat as hell, and I hope you done burnt it off by now. Alright? You guys already seen the thumbnail. You know my energy. You know my vibes. Let's go. Let's get it, baby.
Tonight I'm feeling heavy,
Feeling real heavy.
like down low. It's C4,
baby.
it's time to do.
What we gonna do?
Tonight we gon' ride. Tonight we gon' ride.
Hey, I hope all is well on you guys' end, man. I'm just running around, running my errands right now and taking care of BI. And like I said, man, I hope you guys' holiday was acceptable. I hope you guys didn't have to go through no drama, family drama, none of that. You know what I mean? Because I know how the holidays can be. So, like I said, I hope you didn't have to go through any drama, and I hope all is well. I got new shop talks coming, and of course, I got new daily vlogs coming. I mean, daily vlogs. So, but yeah, I got new stuff coming, man, and you know, I'm real particular on the way that I want my channel to progress, you know what I'm saying? And I know that you guys, not only the people that subscribe to me, talking about the Turner team, the people that are not subscribed to me, I mean, everybody has an opinion, you know what I mean? And the way that I see myself on camera, I like the way that it's going down, and I like the direction that the channel is going in. I'm able to, I'm able to give back. I'm able to teach. I'm able to hand out the information that I've learned, you know what I mean, in different situations, and, being in college, being in school, and just learning things. And now I'm able to kind of give it back in a cool manner. So I'm digging it. I dig it a lot. I love it. And let me let you guys check out this little footage from me pulling up at Detail Garage Day. All right, let's go. Hey, so as I was saying, right, just the way that the channel is progressing and the way that I want the channel to progress, I want you guys' opinions, I want you guys' input, you know what I mean? Because it's not a lot of, like, mechanics that I identify with on YouTube, so the ones that I do identify with, I watch, all right? I mean, amongst other people, like, I watch a bunch of different people on YouTube, so I'm glad to be in the position that I'm in. One of the other things that, this is the last thing I want to talk about today, all right? Now, you have people who fake support you, you know what I'm saying, and act like they support you. And it's not about monetary support. It's not about financial support, but it's what energy you put forth to support. You know what I'm saying? Like, you could put forth a decent amount of energy towards supporting somebody, and that'll mean more to them than you spending money with them. Big factory. Like, I really, really mean that. Because I was having a conversation with somebody, right? And they was thinking that I was just talking about financial support. No, it's not about financial support. If you see something that I posted concerning the clothing line, Voss and Bridges, make sure you stop by and stay fly too. If you see something that I posted about the clothing line, share it. Like it. Tell somebody else about it. You know what I mean? Like, I understand what kind of financial crisis or whatever we're dealing with right now. I understand it. You can do your part to support Voss and Bridges. And it doesn't have to come out of your pocket. You know what I mean? It is what it is. And I appreciate all support that everybody has given us given us thus far. I really, really, really appreciate it. And my peoples, that is the end of my video for today. You know what I mean? That's really all I had to talk about because I was out running my errands. And you guys seen that. So until the next time, which will probably be tomorrow on a daily, either on a daily vlog or shop talk. Hey, man, I'm on season 2 of my shop talks, man, and it seems as if you guys are not watching. So many of you guys to pull up on season 1 and season 2 to realize how I got to season 2. All right? I'll talk to you guys real soon, man. You guys know the vibes. This is your man, Wrenchturna, and I will talk to you guys on the flip side. Peace.